Use extra caution when driving, especially operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Here is the Wisconsin weather synopsis. The cold front continues to slowly push across Wisconsin.
Yeah! There goes my HH. Yeah, here we are. We did it, boys. Delayed 05, according to my, both my,
means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent,
yeah, it's appearing on IEM bot now.
Rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial
I'm
radio,
glad we got it
television
then, boys.
outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe
Here, now
weather
I got to
information.
set off my EasyCast for this.